Okay, we're here at some parking garage. Otis.
These were nice.
There's only one panel? Alright.
These were nice.
One thing to kind of note, okay, opens there. Alright, let's go to 5. Door close button is right here.
Yeah.
That's a weird layout.
You open it back there. Look, see?
There's a view downtown. Little view downtown. My battery's dead, so sorry about the shakes.
Not really.
My battery's doing it, so my,
All right, we'll go back down the skyway.
yeah, I gotta hold my camera extra steady now. Sorry for the shakes.
That door close button is on. Look at that big old camera over there. You know, these probably used to be Lexington.
Yeah. I don't know what garage this is, but